Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gorn Guitar. We have a song here from RITA Ora, You and I. Alright, so this is a love song and it's very mellow and beautiful like that. We have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song and no need for any capo. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the E, and that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And then the following chords here, I prefer to play them in an open fashion here. So that means it rings out a little bit, it fits the song very well. So next one is based upon the C sharp minor. Usually it's a bar chord, but this time not. So you will have the grip like this. It's 4th on the A, then 6 on D. Sorry for that sound. Like that. 6 on D, 6 on G, 5th on B, and the open E. Alright. Then the next chord is the A sus version here. Open as well. So that is open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. And the same goes with the B sus version here. It's usually a bar chord, this time not, so like this. Now it's 2nd on A, 4th on D, 4th on G, open B, and open E. So there you have the chords and the order of how they come. So E, C sharp, A, and B. Now you can play this in different ways. I showed you 2 ways here. The first one was to just play 1 down and then a clap. And since it's open chords and the whole idea is to let the chords and the notes and sound ring out, so I don't kill a sound with a clap on all strings. Alright, so I just hammer on the last E here in the bass. That's enough to have something there. So, okay, so that's how it sounds. And I use my thumb here to really hit the right string here, not my whole hand. It's up to you how you do it, but anyway, 1 down and 1 kick there. You do that twice per chord, alright? So, like this, 2 times. And the second way I showed you was to just fill out this. It's actually the same rhythm, everything, just more work here. You're gonna play down, down, clap, down. So for E there, you're gonna play 2 times of that also. So down, down, clap, down is 1 round. In the same way here, the clap comes with my thumb here on only the E string to let the strings other ring out. So 1 round of that will sound. And that, my friends, covers RITA Ora's You and I. Beautiful song. Give it a try, and it's very nice to know about this. These chords here, these 4 chords that are very common when it comes to this open, airy sort of playing here. So give it a try, guys. You and I. Till next time, play tuned.